Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the n integers as the input and then modify those n integers based on some conditions, and finally the program must print the sum of those modified integers. So the conditions are, if the unit digit of the number is equal to 0 means then we have to borrow a, that is, we have to borrow 1 from its 10th digit, and if we have the 10th digit is equal to 0 means then the num must be replaced with 0. Now first we are going to accept the n integers and then modify those n integers based on some conditions, and finally the program must print the sum of those modified integers. So the conditions are, if the unit digit is 0 then we have to borrow 1 from its 10th digit, and if the 10th digit is 0 then the num must be replaced with 0. Now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case we have 4 integers. Now the first number is 158. So here the unit digit is 8. So we'll remove 8 here. So as we have separated, and now this 8 is not 0. So we'll have that number, that digit as it is, that is 158. Then for the next digit, that is 270, here we have the unit digit to be 0. So we have to borrow 1 from its 10th digit, that is 27 minus 1, which becomes 26. So we have borrowed 1 from the 10th digit, so this 0 would become 1, and after concatenating both we have 261. Now we'll have the next digit, that is 100. So here we have unit digit to be 0, also the 10th digit to be 0. So if 10th digit is 0 means we have to replace that number with 0. So we'll have 0. Then next we have 310. So here unit digit is 0. So we have to borrow 1 from the 10th digit. So 31 minus 1 becomes 30, and this 0 will be incremented with 1. So after concatenating we'll get 301. And finally we must get the sum of these numbers. So the sum of the modified integers is 720, which will be our output.
Get clarifications for any program and clear your program errors effortlessly by using our Instagram page. Programming made simple here. We have mentioned our Insta ID in this video description.
Now let us implement our program. First we'll get the integer n, and then we'll get the array of integers, and after getting the n integers, we are going to modify those integers. So for that, for index in range n, so first we'll have the unit digit, that is unit equal to array of index mod 10, and then we'll remove that unit digit from the array of index. So array of index / equal to 10. So now we'll check our condition, that is if the unit is equal to 0 means, and also the array of index mod 10 equal to 0 means, that is the 10th digit also is equal to 0 means, we have to replace the array of index as 0, and in the elif part, if the unit digit is equal to 0 means we have to borrow 1 from the array of index, that is from the 10th digit of the array of index, and finally we must concatenate them while the unit digit will be incremented with 1. And in the else part, we'll have, if we have no condition satisfied, then we have to replace that unit with the array of index, right? So for that, array of index is equal to array of index into 10 plus the unit, and finally we'll print the sum of array. Now let us execute our program. We'll pass our first test case. So yes, we have got the correct output, that is 720. Now we'll pass our second test case. So here we have got 10,063 as our output, which is correct.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.